If you're a writer or just a writer writing for fun, this might be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet on how to use ChatGPT for creative writing. So this is going to be your AI writing partner for stories, poems, scripts, characters, and many, many more. So what you want to do is firstly, understand why use ChatGPT for creative writing. Generally, it sparks new ideas and overcomes writer blocks. Also builds rich characters, worlds, and plots, writes faster and explore different styles, get feedback and improve your writing, and brainstorm title and dialogues. So it is as simple as that when it comes to understanding why use ChatGPT. The second thing is how to get the best results. So in order to go ahead and get the best results, you want to simply go ahead and be clear and specific, turn off any other distractions, and then describe what you want in details. Write a spooky story or short story set in an abandoned train station or something like that. Also give context and purpose. So share your background, audience, or style. Write a fantasy tale. Give context and purpose. So simply go ahead and share background, tone, audience, or style. And you can simply go ahead and follow this example, which is going to be write a fantasy tale for young adults with a hopeful and adventurous tone. You can also use iteration, so refine, expand, or rewrite for better output. And you can also go ahead and make it more emotional and add a surprising twist. So the other thing you can do is simply go ahead and ask for variation. So explore different angles, endings, or styles. Example, give me 3 different ways to end the story. And what it will do is it will give you 3 ways that you can end the story, and you could use whatever you like for it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.